Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show. I'm so excited to dive into today's topic. Let's get started. If you've been coughing for more than 2 weeks, stop ignoring it. This could be serious. A persistent cough is one that lasts more than 2 to 3 weeks. It could be something simple like allergies or post-infection cough after a cold, but it could also be signs of asthma, acid reflux, or even tuberculosis. If you notice blood in your cough, weight loss, chest pain, or night sweats, that's not something to guess with. And no, taking random antibiotics won't fix every cough. In fact, it can make things worse. If your cough isn't going away, get checked and take proper treatment. Follow for more real medical truths. Dokital Cares.